In the enchanted world of the City of Kindness, Superboy Arian found himself soaring through the sky, guided by the gentle glow of his mystical compass. "I won't give up. I'll fix it and help dreams reach everyone again," proclaimed Arian resolutely as he gazed at the ethereal bridge of broken dreams below. The narrator, with an air of inspiration and mystery, explained, "The bridge was cracked, its colors faded. Dreams floated nearby, but couldn't cross. Indeed, the dreams lingered in sparkling bubbles, suspended in the air, unable to traverse the shattered path." Determined but perplexed, Arian mused aloud, "I need more power, more kindness." In response to his call, twinkling lights began to appear, each representing the kindness from all the friends he had helped along his journey. A playful fairy fluttered before him with boundless cheer, her voice echoing words of comfort, "You are never alone, Superboy." This magical reassurance energized him. First came a sparkle from the puppy he saved, recounted the narrator, as a joyful bark fluttered through the air. "Woof! You can do it," urged the puppy with unwavering support. Next, a colorful kite swooped in playfully, the same kite belonging to the boy whose toy he had mended with care, the narrator continued. The animated kite soared around Arian, infusing him with strength. "Even the grandma's basket turned into a glowing gift," said the narrator warmly as Grandma's kind and gentle voice lovingly chimed in, "Believe, dear one." Arian, now full of excitement and hope, collected each radiant sparkle of kindness, declaring exuberantly, "Let's rebuild this bridge." As he gathered the magic, the broken pieces of the bridge began to levitate, reconnecting with brilliance. One by one, broken pieces floated up and connected, glowing with every act of kindness, narrated the voice, describing the magical transformation as the bridge piece by piece came together. The dreams, now vivid and spirited, floated across the restored bridge, bursting into a spectrum of colors and joy. "You see, Arian, kindness rebuilds even broken dreams," encouraged the fairy, celebrating his triumphant spirit. With elation, Arian shouted to the skies, "Kindness can fix the impossible." The bridge, once marred by brokenness, now glistened with the hues of a rainbow, a true bridge of bright dreams. With a proud smile illuminating his features, Arian vowed, "Let's keep making the world a better place." The narrator's voice gently wrapped up the tale, saying, "Every act of kindness mends the world, one dream at a time." Thus ended Episode 8, reinforcing the essential learning points. Teamwork and kindness can overcome even the greatest challenges. Dreams require nurturing and compassion to thrive.